What's up, everybody? May the peace of Almighty upon you, and welcome to this channel to improve your speaking skill with Mr. Alex. Today, we're gonna see the best items. ዛሬ በጣም አሪፍ የሆኑ አባባሎችን እናያለን። ከዛ በፊት ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳትረሱ። እንጀምር። Okay, the first say like bargain price. Bargain price ማለት በዝቅተኛ ዋጋ ስትሉ bargain price. ሁለተኛው the going price. You're gonna see the going price ማለት የአሁኑ ዋጋ what is the going price of this was የዚህኛው ቤቱ የአሁኑ ዋጋ ስንት ነው? the going price. you're going to see the going price. ሶስተኛው pros and cons ማለት ጥቅሙና ጉዳቱ okay, what is the pros and cons of technology? የቴክኖሎጂ ጥቅሙና ጉዳቱ ምንድነው? the pros and cons. ሌላኛው it is all for the better ማለት ለበጎ ነው ስትሉ it is all for the better. you're going to say okay, በኦንላይን መማር የምትፈልጉ ካላችሁ በዚህኛው ስልክ ቁጥር ደውላችሁ ለተጨማሪ መረጃ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። ሜጋብለሾ ፕሮጀክት wherever you are, stay blessed.